The story is, this is about the Philippine history in stories by Conrado Benitez. The story is about the last king of Manila. When Legazpi came to the Philippines, he learned that two Mohammedan kings were ruling in Manila. Raja Sulaiman ruled over what is now the walled city, while Raja Lakandula ruled over Tondo. On the other side of the Pasig River, both these kings had strong forts surrounded by palm trees and a wall of logs on which they had placed many cannon. What do you remember about the story?
Si, si Legazpi, yung pong pagkapunta dito sa Philippines, meron siyang parang sa akin na meron siyang nakitang dalawang Mohammedan kings nagro-rule sa Philippines, ay sa Manila. Raja Lacondola ay nagro-rule sa Tondo. Tapos si Raja Sinoman ay nirurule niya ang Pasig River. Yun lang po.
Legazpi wanted to make friends with Raja Sulaiman and Raja Lakandula. So in 1570, he sent Martin de Guiti to visit the two chiefs. De Goiti sailed to Manila with 110 Spaniards and over 600 friendly Visayan.
Ang na-remember ko po ay si Legazpi, meron pinapunta niya si Martin de Goiti sa Manila with 110 Spaniards and 600 Visayans friendly.
Okay.
Para pupunta sa two chiefs. Tapos na po.
So Raja Sulaiman and Raja Lakandula stood on the banks of the Pasig and watched the Spanish boats sail up the river. They wondered whether the strangers had come to fight or to be friends. De Guiti met them in a friendly way and said, "Legazpi, our leader wants to make friends with you. He is already a friend to the people of the South."
Ang ko po ay si Raja Sulaiman at si Raja Lacandola ay nakita niya yung mga Spanish boats. Tapos iniisip nila kung kung gusto nila na maglaban or friendly greeting. Sorry po. Yun lang po.